going to get Starbucks before we get on the road back to Austin, Texas. Papa's back there chilling, but I'm gonna try this matcha latte. I usually get white mocha, so I don't know. Hopefully it's good.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. My name is Becca. How can we help you?
Yes. What is that matcha tea latte? Can I try the matcha tea latte tall?
Yeah, you want that hot?
Yes, please.
Anything else?
And that'll be all.
No problem. It's gonna be $4.60.
Thank you. Thank you.
At least for right now.
So I got it in hot. We gonna see how it goes. I do gotta put the GPS on, so hold on real quick. All right, moment of truth. Let's see. I don't like that. I should have got my regular. Or tried it cold. Or see what y'all be getting. I don't know. But I'm not trying to drink anything really sweet anymore. I stopped eating fried foods and stuff. So we'll see. So I got to my destination. I went to go pick up my cousin's graduation gift because we're gonna be at her graduation party this weekend. Now I'm just driving back. I gotta go get my cosmetology license because I need to go to the hair store and professional hair color, because I was going to Sally's and Walmart, but all they have is semi-permanent, of course. So I need to go get the real stuff. So hey you guys, so I'm just now getting off. I did 7 clients today. I'm about to cook me some spaghetti, and I'm not doing anything spectacular to it. So I'm gonna have y'all watch me do that. And some of this stuff might be a time lapse, some of this might not. And then after that, I have bought me some sprinkles cupcake. I don't even eat this stuff, but my period is coming, so you know, gotta eat all my fulfillings during the week because it's the only time that I have. This is what it looks like. I know it's kind of like very light, but I didn't chop anything up and put anything. When I'm lazy, I really just do fast stuff, but I'm gonna put the noodles in the sauce and mix it up. So I'm about to do this little 20-minute workout, but before I do that, I'm gonna eat these little sprinkles cupcakes. Right now I'm a little high. I took me an edible earlier, so feeling too good. This little workout finna be good. So I'm doing a workout because I'm doing a workout because I've been bad on moving my body. And like when I get up, I be having to go, ugh. I'm only 28. I shouldn't be, ugh. And it's because I don't like really move my body a lot anymore. Beginning of the year to April of this year, I was great on keeping my body like a mobile body. Now I gotta get back into it. It's about to be a new year again. I need to do it full year. I cannot keep saying it's a new year. Oh, I'll wait till the next year. So. I'm going to pick up my packages. Y'all would not believe what happened to me. So I went to go get 2 of my packages. That's what y'all sitting on right now. And the person decided to put the package in the left locker, right? I'm only 5'2". This package is already like in the middle of it, so I'm jumping trying to get it, and it gets pushed back. So I keep the locker open, and I'm like, I'm gonna have to come home, get something, and pull the package out. No. So I'm walking around the corner. Again, I'm high still. I'm walking around the corner, and God puts this tall man walking towards me. And, you know, he was on the phone or whatever, Indian man. I'm like, can you please help me get this package? At first, he was like, I'm sorry, what? I'm like, can you please help me get this package? He's like, yeah, I can do that. I'm good at these things. And he on the phone like, hold on real quick. So he gets the package, and I'm like, what are the odds that I'm walking away and this tall person is walking by? 5'2" problems. Yeah, so I got this cute container. I'm gonna open it up and show you guys.
Yeah, like usual. Way off in the deep end, like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping, was okay, so what? Someone hits the block up, I tell you who's up. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. The things I can't change are the reason you love me. Listen, you can hear them calling my name. I'm all over the place, I can't sit in one place. I'm not ashamed at all. Still finding myself, let alone a soulmate, I'm just saying. Feel like we one and the same, our relationship changed. That or it never existed. Whenever they say something about us, you will listen. But fuck what they talking about on your timeline. What they talking about on your time? That's cutting on into my time. My time with
you. Yeah, so it's time to eat the sweets. I know I done worked out, but let's see what this shit talking about. I got a chocolate chip cookie. It feels soft. And we got this box over here. This has the cupcakes. Wow. Look at that. So I took out this one. This one is supposedly white chocolate, something like that. This is bad. Like, good bad. Mm. Mm. Mm.